You take a sucker from a plant. Prior to taking it from the plant, it participates in the life of the plant. But you take it from the plant and transplant it. It becomes in its turn the parent. So the seed of God is planted in man, and that seed is called Jesus Christ. It bears the express image of his person. So the seed comes to the womb, which is man. By man, I mean generic man. It comes in the form of a story, which is the story of the gospel, which is the story of God. He desires to raise us to the level where we can appreciate him, where we can venerate him, where we can understand him. When I can't understand him on my present level as he ought to be understood. Or to go back to the poem, not loves another as itself. I can't. I could sacrifice myself tonight for someone. I would willingly. For my daughter, my wife, my friends. At my age, what does it matter? If I was given no choice but either your life or her life, no. I don't think I could hesitate for a second to say, well, take this. But it doesn't mean because I gave my life to save my wife or my daughter or my friend that I really, truly, in the depths of my soul, love them more than I do myself. Not loves another as itself, nor venerates another so, nor is it possible to thought a greater than itself to know. And Father, how can I love you or any of my brothers more? How can I? I love you like the little bird that picks up crumbs around the door. You want me to venerate you? Well, then raise me. You want me to really understand you and know you? Well, then raise me to the level of your own being. Then I can really love you. Because I can't love anything in this fabulous world as I love myself. If we are big enough to admit it, we'll admit it. If you say, oh no, I love God more than I love myself, then define him for me. And you'll give me some monstrous things I know full well you couldn't possibly love. You're going to paint something that is not God at all. For God reveals himself to man, within man, as his own wonderful I amness. Go and tell them, I am has sent me unto you. That's my name forever. And by this name I shall be known throughout all generations.